So today I'm staying at Hakone. So getting off from the elevator, we are staying on the first floor. So walking in, very beautiful landscape already. And our room is 101. We were told that it's a very unique room. There's only one in this hotel. It's a Japanese suite. So let me show you. 101. So walking right in. So the normal area that you put your shoes and then wear your slippers inside. And then you're like, oh my God, what's that? It's an empty room. But I'm going to show you. So this is where you can put your shoes in if you're staying here for a couple of days. And then on the left hand side, you open the door, okay, is the washroom. So many doors to explore. So you can see they have a very deep Japanese bathtub. And then this is for the shower. And then getting the door closed. And then this is the washlet, the toilet bowl. And then Kai has their own amenity. It's quite consistent in all the properties. And the hair dryer. Okay, so now I'm still back at the front door. And it's very typical for them to have the decorations and some centerpiece. So when you walk in, really, it's an empty room because it's a Japanese suite. So they are going to do the bed here when we go out for dinner tonight. So you can see the decor here. And they use a lot of this pattern. They call it the packetry, which they have a workshop every day. And then if you need coffee, it's okay. They do have the Nespresso and the water bottle. So this is the area where they are going to make the bed. So how are they going to make the bed? You know, we'll give you a sneak of how they set it up. So the bedspread, the mattress, the pillow, all hidden here. So tonight, after they set it up, I'm going to show you the end product. Okay, so walking back in is another door. So when you open this door, it's the living room. Yes. So it's a beautiful room with a huge wooden bench, again, with what they call the packuri wood pattern. And then if you like the Western style, there is the sofa, as well as the television set. And then before I show you the most exciting part, I'm going to open the closet. So this is where you have the outer clothes and then the safe deposit box, as well as the closet for your jacket. Okay, now that's the most exciting part. So this is the one and only. So they set up very nicely that if it's cold, you can sit inside and then you can actually feel the sand of the river. And this is the only room that has the door that can open to the outside. Yeah, you can hear the river flowing. And actually the door can be completely open. So I'm going to show you in a bit what it's like. Yep. So here you go. So it's wide open. It's actually quite cold today. is like 3 to 4 degrees Celsius, but I'm still going to walk out. Yeah, it's very safe. And then I'm outside. You can hear the river. And this is the exact scenery when you go to the spa. Actually, we were told that this is the spa for man. So that's exactly the scenery that you see when you're going to the bath, like the spa, the hot bath, the hot spring. And then we have it all by ourselves. Very cool. That if you do not mind the cold weather, you can sit here all day long, and especially in the summertime with the breeze and everything, it's going to be the perfect mediation. So I'm going to continue later on tonight when the bed is made and show you what it's like for a Japanese suite at Kai Hakone. Okay, this piece of fish go with the strawberry color sauce. So now we are back from dinner. So the beds are already set up. So let me open the door and show you. Yep. So that's how they set up the beds in the room. So they put a table aside and then they set up 2 beds on the floor, which somehow is still quite comfy. So this is what a Japanese room or Japanese suite is all about.
little change menu.
Yes.